Hello students, I welcome you all for online practical class. The topic of today's practical is synthetic seeds by encapsulation method. Well, to understand this practical, one should know what are synthetic seeds. Synthetic seeds are the artificial seeds which are being created in an in vitro condition. So in tissue culture technology, we have studied about somatic embryogenesis. So in somatic embryogenesis, what we do is we take an explant and we culture the explant into calyces, and those calyces will be subcultured to produce the somatic embryos which are called as embryoids. So these embryoids will be taken in a petri dish, and these embryoids will be separated by a process called as agitation, and after agitation is done, the embryoids, which are nothing but the somatic embryos generated by the somatic explant, those are separated and they are subjected for encapsulation. Well, the requirements for this practical are: we require 3% sodium alginate slurry, we require 4% calcium chloride solution, filler, mustard embryos, and petri dishes. To start with, we have to prepare 3% sodium alginate slurry, and the procedure for producing 3% sodium alginate slurry is we should take 3 grams of sodium alginate powder and mix it in 100 ml of distilled water, or you can take 1.5 grams of sodium alginate and dissolve it in 50 ml of distilled water, so that the volume of slurry is reduced. To prepare 4% calcium chloride solution, we take 4 grams of calcium chloride powder and we dissolve it under 100 ml distilled water, or we can reduce it to 50 ml. For reducing it to 50 ml, take 2 grams of calcium chloride powder and dissolve it in 50 ml of distilled water. However, I have prepared the sodium alginate slurry. See, this is 3% sodium alginate slurry which I have prepared it for 50 ml. This is calcium chloride solution which I have prepared for 50 ml. So here there are the embryos of mustard seed or the seed itself. I have soaked these seeds overnight. Taken through tissue culture technology, or the seeds which are soaked overnight should be put in the sodium alginate slurry. Allow them to settle down for 3 to 4 minutes. After allowing them to settle down for 3 to 4 minutes, take the seeds in a filler with sodium alginate slurry and put the embryoids or the seeds with sodium alginate slurry drop wise in calcium chloride solution. So the sodium alginate reacts with calcium chloride and they become a thin coat around the embryoids, and the embryoids gets encapsulated. So this is how we prepare the synthetic seeds by encapsulation method. The advantage of preparing this sodium alginate encapsulated synthetic seeds is to use the embryoids whenever they are required for cultures, so that the embryoids get differentiated into plantlets through tissue culture technology. We also use sodium alginate encapsulation method for embryoids to preserve the embryoids for a longer duration. For cryopreservation also we use sodium alginate encapsulation method for preparing the synthetic seeds. Thank you, students. The procedure for synthetic seeds produced by encapsulation method is: take 3% sodium alginate slurry and 4% calcium chloride solution. In this beaker I have taken 3% sodium alginate slurry which I have prepared it for 50 ml of distilled water. In this beaker I have prepared 50 ml of calcium chloride solution. To start with, take the mustard seeds which are soaked overnight. Put these soaked mustard seeds in sodium alginate slurry. Leave it for some time so that they get completely surrounded by sodium alginate slurry.